Hi guys, it's BJL here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you've read from the title, today I will be talking about how I've built my immune system during these times of corona, and this is what we really need to do to get ourselves into track and to stay away from any viruses or any even small illnesses at this time, because it's very important to stay healthy. So if you want to know about what I am doing to keep myself healthy, then please keep on watching. It's been a while since I've been trying to build my immune system. There was a time in the past few years where I used to fall ill very regularly, and when the corona scare came, I was really petrified because I thought that I would fall ill like that. So that's when I started really researching about things and some doing things to build my immune system. So what I used to do is, like, I increased my vitamin C intake, and also I started eating more fruits, more vegetables. Also, I had heard about a lot of supplements which help you build your immune system, but I was not into supplements because that is something that I don't prefer. I don't like unnecessary eating medicines. So then that's when I started researching about herbal ways of building my immune system, and I feel that this has worked for me. Now I have been consuming this for the past like 3 to 4 months now, and I do feel a lot more energized, and I feel that I'm not falling sick. Like, I had a tendency of falling sick whenever the weather changes. I used to get a little bit of fever, cold, but that has not happened to me during this weather transitions. So yeah, I feel that this is working for me, and that's the reason why I wanted to share it with you guys, because right now it's very important to stay healthy and to build our immune system strong. So there are 4 to 5 products that I have been using on a daily basis, so I would like to share those products with you. The first product that I have been using is this Kapiva Immune Care Juice. So this has a lot of herbal ingredients like ashwagandha, giloy, neem, and it also has turmeric and a lot of other benefits. So it also has amla. So yeah, this is something that I really like to drink. It is does not have any taste. So you just take 30 ml of the product, mix it with water and have it, and also have it first thing in the morning and 30 minutes after your dinner. So I have been having this, and I feel that it is really helping me. Before this, the first thing that I used to have in the morning was apple cider vinegar with water, because that was what my nutritionist has suggested me to boost my metabolism. But now I feel right now that building your immune system is more important than anything else. So I have stopped having ACV and I have moved to this, and I'm quite happy with it. And my husband also has the same juice with me every morning, and we both are feeling a change in our body. We are feeling more energetic. We get up on time. We feel like doing some work throughout the day. So this is what that keeps us going. That's what I feel. Now, since all the ingredients are very herbal, they don't have any artificial coloring or sugar, and also they have antibacterial properties which help in the overall wellness of the body and also in building the immune system. So this is the first product that I wanted to share with you guys. The next product that I have been using and loving is Kapiva's Pure Tulsi Ark. Now this has 5 types of tulsis in it, and the reason why I really like it is that you just have to take 1 or 2 drops of it and put it in a glass of water and have it 3 to 4 times a day. So this has actually increased my water intake. That is what I really love about it, because now in order to have this, I have started drinking more water, which is really helping me. And also the smell of this is really nice. So when I put this in the water and I have it, there's no actually any taste, but the smell of it makes me feel really nice and relaxed. So yeah, this is the second product that I wanted to show you guys. The third product that I wanted to show you, which is something that I don't like to have a lot because of the taste. It's very bitter. So that is the noni juice. So noni is basically a type of fruit which is found in the South Asian part of the world. This has a lot of benefits for you. So it's supposed to revitalize your body, build your immune system. It is very good for people with diabetes, cholesterol, and even it helps and prevents cancer. Now all of those claims I don't really know, but I drink it because I want to build my immune system, and I had heard from some people that noni juice is very good for you. They have also given you a schedule of how you're supposed to have it. So basically from day 1 to 3 you're supposed to have like 5 ml, just gulp it down. Then from day 4 to 6 you have 2 spoons, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is something that I have been having. My husband really likes this because he feels that when he has this, it really helps him clear out his digestive system, and this is what he's been loving. I don't like it so much only because of the taste, but for health benefits it's definitely, I feel, a must, because as I said, noni juice is very good for health. And finally, last but not the least, my favorite product, the vitamin C plus amla gummies. Now these are really tasty. These are basically vitamin C chocolates which you can have, and they contain amla. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the container. When you open it, you get one of these, and you can have this twice a day. So this is basically a treat to yourself. The amla that this contains has vitamin A and vitamin C, plus they also have some added water soluble vitamin C in this. So this is something which you can have on the go. Like if you're going out somewhere, you can just keep this in your bag and you can take them with you. Just have it wherever you want. This is very good for kids as well because they will happily have this. So yeah, this is something that I really like. So these are all the 4 products that I have been having on a regular basis to increase my immunity, and along with this I have added some lifestyle changes to myself. Like I have been sleeping on time, getting up early, working out every single day, even if it means just a half an hour walk, but I will do it. And I have been eating healthy. I am obviously not eating outside food because there is a lot of scare, and now that I am habituated of eating homemade food, I prefer that. I don't even remember eating outside food. I think if you take these precautions, you be a little self-aware and proactively start taking care of your health, then you would be safe and you can protect yourself from the ongoing pandemic. So that's all that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. If you want to see any other videos from my side, please put it down in the comment section below, and I would be eagerly waiting to read your comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, go follow me on all my social medias. I would be listing everything down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I put a new video. That's it from my side. Until next time, bye.